If I do not interdict now, at kung matakot lang ako ng demanda yung ICC na yan, puisit na yan, well, I will rot in jail. And so, that is my contribution to you. Human rights. You know, you want me, bring me to fine International Criminal Court? Gladly. Gladly. And if they say that I'd go to jail, I'll rot in jail. Wala kayong problema. Eh, baka balang araw, itong ICC na itong bugok na to, if they decide to hang me, I would be very glad to go. And ako pa ang maglagay sa... Sabi nila,